All right, 73 Grand Am update. We're at the paint shop. Just taking a quick video. You can see the stripping on the door. That's just been taken off with the razor blade. It's the original red. Coming around to the back here, slowly but surely, the paint is coming off. Almost have to say there's less white on the car, more red than white on the car now. This is the fender they had to pull out, and then this is where they had to do the cutting on the recorder. They'll have to do the same on the passenger side. All right, now the hood is not original to the car. It came off of a 77 GT. It was originally white, so it fit in with the old motif. So there's only one coat of paint on that rather than the 4 that's on the rest of the car. But that's where we sit for today. Thanks for looking in.